Welcome. You're watching NewsX and I'm Megha Sharma. There are as many as 10 devotees that are feared dead in the Mahakumbh Mela. There are over 30 people who have been injured. There was a stampede that broke out at the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj in the early hours today ahead of the Amrit Snan on Mauni Amavasya. According to officials, some barriers were broken on the Sangam routes, which led to a stampede-like situation. As per the eyewitnesses, the UP police was quick to intervene and ensure that the injured devotees were rushed to the hospitals. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, President Draupadi Murmu, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah and many other leaders have paid condolences to the devotees who lost their loved ones in the stampede. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has urged people to not move towards the Sangam nose and take bath at the ghats near the Maha-Ganga. He has also urged people not to pay attention to rumours. I'm going to start my conversation. Joining me on the telecast right now is Arzu. Arzu right now is at Prayagraj and she is covering the Mahakumbh festivities for us. Arzu, a sad day today. There have been at least 8 people who have died, several others that have been injured. What are the preparations that the Uttar Pradesh police and the Uttar Pradesh administration doing for the relatives of the people who have died in this tragic incident?
Well, if we talk about after the stampede-like situation occurred here at the Mahakumbh Mela near the Triveni Sangam, where the lakhs of devotees were reaching to take a holy dip on the occasion of the Mauni Amavasya in the early morning, in the early hours. Then such situation occurred. As we also talked with the eyewitness victims, they told that they were coming from the one side after taking a holy dip, and on the other side, other devotees were going to take a holy dip, and the clash happened between both of them, and a lot of devotees that were already sleeping on the ground so that they can be the first one to take a holy dip, and that's why they took a halt there only near this Triveni Sangam, where they have to take a holy dip in the morning. So that's why the devotees who were coming here stepped over them, and these type of incident happened, due to which the chaos occurred, and there was the announcement that the officials were continuously made, and also a video is now also getting viral. We also have that video in which we can clearly hear the official claiming that jo sove hai wo khovat hai, jo jage hai wo pawat hai, means there were clearly indication that the devotees should go and take a holy bath. They have a time, even yesterday evening after 7 p.m. it was announced that the Muhurat, the Shubh Muhurat of Mauni Amavasya has begun. The devotees are advised to go to the Sangam Ghat and take a holy dip, but the public were gathering near the ghat, but they were not going because they have to say that we will be going after 12 a.m. So these were the chaos that happened. But yes, if we talk about the police administration, they have been quickly rushed to the hospital. There were, if I mention, there were around 50 ambulances that were deployed to provide the emergency services to the devotees attending the Mahakumbh Mela 2025 when the incident occurred, and those ambulances rushed with a green corridor created to ensure a shift transportation. So a green corridor was used, and in that is a particular corridor that is being made for the ambulances, and through that moment to moment the ambulances passed away, and around 50 ambulances have been deployed to take the injured people from the Sangam Ghat to the central hospital at the sector 2 Mahakumbh Mela area. Also, if we talk about these ambulances have made over 100 rounds to save lives, with expert doctor reaching the scene within 2 to 3 minutes. So all the expert doctors were present in the central hospital to treat those injured, and that's why there might be a lot of lives that got saved. There were injuries, serious injuries that some of the devotees got in their legs, hands.
Yeah.
But yes,
do we have a number, Arzu? Do we know how many people are approximately injured, and which all hospitals have they been taken to?
Well, as I talk about the numbers, DIG is going to hold a press conference very soon, and then the number will be might be released. But as of now, what we have gathered from our sources, that around 25 to 30 people have got the injury, and as you mentioned also, around 8 people that that died in the stampede like situation that occurred. But yes, if we talk about the data, this might be released because the press conference will be held in the Mela area
Okay.
at the
Okay. Also,
conference room.
did
very
you
soon.
did you get a chance to speak to any of the injured of or the family members of the injured or those who have deceased? I understand you were also speaking to the eyewitnesses. If you could explain to us, according to them, what exactly happened.
Well, Megha, as I earlier mentioned, I talked with a lady who got injury in her leg, and she said that there was a lot of people together, those who have come to take a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam all together. And the situation occurred that from the one side, there were the people who were coming to take a holy bath, and on the other side, on a single road, there were two people who coming from the different direction. One to take a holy dip, and other were coming after taking a holy dip, and the clash happened, the chaos happened, and someone also told there were some people behind who were pushing them. So the situation that occurred like that when the chaos happened, because there was the gathering of more than lakhs of devotees who were all present at the Sangam Ghat. In fact, Chief Minister himself asked the devotees to please avoid going to only single ghat. There are several ghats, more than 20 ghats have been arranged by the government. The preparation on all the ghats have been made for the devotees only, and they are advised to go each and every ghat which are closer to their camp. So these type
Right.
of
So those are the
announcements
kind
were
of
also
precautions
required.
that have been made. Those are the kind of arrangements that have been made. But despite that, there was a massive rush to take the Amrit Snan at that particular place on the particular occasion, which is very sacred and holy in Hindu tradition, and which led to this stampede. Thank you, Arzu, for joining me on the telecast, and we'll keep coming back to you as and when there are more developments.